Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2018 Toyota Camry side mirror. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before removing interior trim panels and electrical connectors needed for the mirror swap. Remove the interior door panel carefully, prying trim clips with a plastic tool to prevent damage, and set fasteners aside in a container. Locate and unplug the mirror electrical connector, then unscrew the 3 mounting bolts while supporting the mirror by hand to safely remove it from the door. Position the new mirror on the door and feed its wiring harness through the access hole, then loosely thread all mounting bolts to hold it in place. Tighten each bolt evenly to avoid stress, reconnect the electrical connector, test power, heated, and signal functions, and reattach the interior trim panel securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.